In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from your Faiba app. So if you're receiving a lot of alerts and you like to put an end to them, then let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and look for this app info page to be able to do this. So I'll go to settings here and then scroll down until you see apps. Under apps, look for the option called manage apps or all apps on your Android smartphone, and this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you find your app. As you can see, my app is here. You can also search for your app using this search function. So if you tap on it, now you can see we are on the app info page, and this is where we shall do our settings. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and then look for your app. And once you find your app, just long press on it and you should be able to see app info here. Go ahead and tap on it and this will take you to the same app info page. From here, go to this section called permissions, and under permissions, look for notifications. As you can see, all these notifications are turned on, and that's why you have been receiving those pop-up or alerts. So go ahead and toggle this off to stop those pop-up notifications. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive those pop-up notifications unless you go ahead and turn this on. So that's how you can stop pop-up notifications or alerts from Faiba app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.